Thukuru-ini wa mathomo ma arutani a cukuru cia muthingi wa Thogoto, arutwo na arutani marokire mihango-ini ya kuhaririria igongona ria bata karenda-ini ya cukuru uyu ria kuhumba thumbi arutwo aria marikitie mathomo mao. Na thutha wa mugeni wa gitio Dagitari SK Macharia uria niwe chairman wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services gukinya anyitwo ugeni na nyimbo na ndohio ni amwe a arutwo a cukuru uyu. Rwimbo rutinathirira hau.
Tukutane papa hapa kesho mida ya kama saa hizi.
Kuma thoche mwankanto nyere 88.9.
Chairman wa Royal Media Services Dagitari SK Macharia ni aheanite rugano rwa muturire wake ita njira ya kuheana mwihoko kuri arutwo.
I used to work, by the way, I worked in a Boeing for sweeping at night for 7 years. Because I was in US for 8 years. I went to high school for 2 years, and the rest I went to University of Washington. I got my first degree, I got my graduate degree, BSc, and I was recruited by Kenya government when I was in university, by the way, to come to the Ministry of Local Government.
Dagitari Macharia ohoni atitirithetie fata wa arutani kuheo gitio takiria mari na kio miaka ya hau kafere.
A teacher was respected highly. Whatever the teacher said, that was like the Bible.
Arugamiriri a cukuru uyu nao makienda thirikari yongerere mayo hari guteithiriria cukuru ta ici iria ithomithagia arutani a cukuru cia muthingi kuria arutwo mafataraga muthingi murumu.
When they come here, they are treated like a primary school student or a secondary school student, and therefore they cannot access some of the facilities which are being enjoyed by such other tertiary institutions like the TVET institutions.
Arutani aya ni moritio makoro mari muhiano mwega kuri muingi na arutwo aria marehokerwo.
Some of you are very young. As you go forward, continue being positive, impact lives.
Ukungwiri wa thiomi cia kinduire na taranda oho no ititirithetio na njira nene o hamwe na kuhimbiria mitambo ya kiriu ta Viusasa.
Nehededekera nehena keharo no makinya mere na kuna jera wega kirio kwega gukira odore manyira.
Aze. She'll get 100,000 shillings.
Dagitari Macharia ni akumagaritio ni amwe ya aruti wira kambuni ya Royal Media Services hamwe na Bashir Buru uria niwe murugamiriri wa mathabu kambuni-ini ino.
We are here courtesy of Madam Margaret Kainga, and my relationship with her goes many years. She was the principal at Limuru Girls where my firstborn daughter went, and we have continued keeping in touch, and therefore when she asked me if I could convince the chairman, I tried my best, and after very many weeks, as he has told you, he agreed, and that is why we are here.
Dagitari Macharia ni aheanite uteithio wa kibeca wa makiria ma ciringi milioni 1 cia guteithiriria arutwo na njira itiganite ari hamwe na guteithiriria makiria ma arutwo 50 na marihi ma bithi na gutuga aria mekite wega mathomo-ini.
So I took the list from the top and made a contribution of 20,000 shillings for 50 students. That is 1 million shillings to pay school fees, starting from the list, and the list is here.
Igongona riri ni ria 68 kuma riria cukuru uyu wambiriirio. Goko magana ma arutani makirekererio guthie gutungatira arutwo a primary, thirikari ni uritio ikirire gutigirira cukuru iria iraheana mathomo maya ma urutani ni ciaheana mathomo ma gikiro kia iguru. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de Thogoto Kikuyu county-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.